Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today's story is a little different. It's about my grandma Sylvia and how she became the unlikeliest gaming champion online. Yeah, you heard that right, Grandma Sylvia, the queen of bingo nights and champion knitter. But trust me, there's more to her than meets the eye. It all started when I was trying to beat this super hard level in my new game. I was getting nowhere fast, so I called in the big guns of Grandma Sylvia. Now, you might think she wouldn't understand all the buttons and flashing lights, but let me tell you, she's a quick learner. It turns out her lightning-fast reflexes from years of knitting came in handy for those quick-time events, and her strategic mind from bingo nights helped her plan out her moves. We did it, Grandma! You're a natural, Grandma Sylvia! Well, it's not all tea parties and gossip at the senior centre, you know. We decided to share Grandma Sylvia's skills with the world. We created a channel where she plays games and shares her wisdom and some killer knitting tips. Let me tell you, the internet loved Grandma Sylvia. People couldn't get enough of her sassy commentary and surprising gaming prowess. She became an inspiration to people of all ages, proving that gaming is for everyone. So, Grandma, how does it feel to be a YouTube star? Grandma Sylvie shrugs. It's all right, I suppose, though I do miss the free cookies at the senior centre. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this story, be sure to like and subscribe for more. And who knows, maybe you'll see Grandma Sylvia online, dominating the competition.